Hi guys, this is Susu. If people asking me about which one is most popular in CIFF, I would like to say this is Clover Sofa. Actually, this is our original design. When we design this model, we just want to make a minimalism style, and even without feather, without pillow, when you sit here, very comfortable. Look at our bed part, it is supporting very good, and the shape you see is very curved, and the design is very simple. And also this time we choose the color for the 4-seater and the green seater. People always know, and our Medio 5792 we most focus on design, quality, and eco-friendly. So green represent the environment protector. So this model in this time we got many of country, they feedback so good. And also in this exhibition, several customers, they already placing 10 containers for only this model. So I think this is the best one we selling for this 2025 CIFF exhibition in March.